In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove breadcrumbs in WordPress, specifically if you're using the Astra theme. By the end of this short tutorial, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your website's appearance in just a few minutes. Let's start at the very beginning. First, you'll want to navigate to WordPress.com. This is the main hub where you'll manage your website and make any necessary adjustments. It's important to ensure you're on the main WordPress site so that all options are accessible. Once there, you'll find the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Enter your credentials, and it will take you to your dashboard, which is essentially the control room for your WordPress site. With access to your dashboard, the real work begins. Locate the Appearance option on the left-hand menu. This section is where you can make numerous customizations to the way your site looks, including themes, widgets, and menus. It's a versatile area that you'll likely frequent if you enjoy tweaking your website's aesthetic. Now, click on Customize. The customization screen is specially designed to give you a preview of changes in real time, which makes it extremely handy for experimenting with different settings without committing to them immediately. This feature alone empowers you to tailor your site without worrying about making irreversible mistakes. As you find yourself in the customizer, you'll see a menu appear. This menu contains several options, one of which is General. Select this to reveal a list of settings you can modify. These general settings cover broad site functionalities, and it's where you can find adjustments that affect your entire site's operation. Next, navigate to Breadcrumb. Breadcrumbs are navigational aids that help users understand their location within the website's hierarchy. However, not everyone finds these useful or aesthetically pleasing, especially if they clutter the design. Thankfully, WordPress allows for easy manipulation or removal of these elements. Once you've clicked on Breadcrumb, you will see options to either disable or customize them. It's straightforward from this point. If you wish to remove breadcrumbs completely, simply toggle off the option that enables them. For those using Astra specifically, this process is efficient and doesn't negatively impact your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed breadcrumbs from your WordPress site using the Astra theme. It's always amazing to see how small changes can make a significant difference in your site's appearance. Thanks for watching. And make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy WordPress tutorials.